Hello, this is my Dan's Comp unboxing. I think we got handlebars and grips. I'm gonna have a lot of videos of me BMXing and everything, so subscribe. After I'm done unboxing, I will show you the bike that I'm gonna be putting on this, and it's gonna be kind of a bike check too, so hope you enjoy. No, just hold it. I'm gonna put the camera down for a second. Okay, well, I got a razor for some unknown reason, but okay. I got Edwin grips, animal. Let's see, I'm gonna put the camera down again. And I got stolen cell bars. These are a little different than they were online, but that's alright. Wow, these are big bars. Alright. Alright, I'm gonna go show you the bike now. Gotta go downstairs for a second. Garage is kind of a mess, so. Okay, it's a Fit Bike Co. Park Van Holman signature 2009. Probably gonna keep these bar ends because they're really easy to take off. Everything's pretty much stock except for the pedals, but just got the new bars and the new grips. Gonna be putting new, like, a pivotal seat on it and new tires. So alright, thank you for watching this video, and there'll be more to come. Thank you.